Corn futures were lower for the sixth straight session on Thursday, but gains in wheat helped to cut the losses. Michelle Rook is back with more on what traders are watching in markets now.
Grain markets ending mixed on Thursday, heading into the big USDA reports. DuWayne Bosse is joining us with analysis. New lows for the move in both corn and soybeans on Thursday. DuWayne, are we just leaning way too bearish there going into these reports, do you think?
Yeah, I think we are. I think we're getting to the point that even if we have a bearish report, we could bounce back. But boy, this market has sold off so hard for so long. I know it's caught me up in, well, that's as low as it can go, and then it goes lower and lower. So yeah, we've definitely leaned bearish into today's big report.
Yeah, so how much bearishness do you think is already programmed into these prices as far as what the trade is expecting?
The trade is expecting almost a 2 million acre increase in corn acres. And I think that's what we're pricing in here. So, if you do see that at 11 o'clock, Michelle, you might get that down, 15 cents right away on a lot of bulls going, oh, I'm throwing in the towel, get me out of my long positions. But you could recover into the close. At least that's what I'm kind of betting on. We've gone down so hard for so long. You can have a bearish report and actually end the day somewhat friendly.
Yeah, because obviously whether the fact that we're in the delivery period or going into it, it's kind of contributed to the selling in corn and beans this week too, hasn't it?
Absolutely. When it comes to the July option contracts or the July contract in general, you get a lot of farmers that roll from March, roll to July. And a lot of times you get to this time of year, it's just give up, just get out. So I think we've had a lot of farmers selling in that front month contract, and that's really weighed on the market this week.
How will USDA handle, unplanted acres, prevent plant acres, that sort of thing?
Sadly, I don't think they'll be able to calculate that yet. I mean, it was just a week and a half ago. I was still trying to plant on our farm, and, by then their surveys are already out there. So, the flooded acres, they're just going to leave kind of unchanged for now. They're going to change that in upcoming reports.
And the wheat market was higher on Thursday. Was that just short covering because we're oversold?
Yeah, that's all it was. I mean, we really tried to make bullish stories out of it. There is a heat ridge building in Russia. Our exports were okay for the week, but honestly, I think it's just this market has been beaten up so bad for so long. I think it's a lot of short covering in front of that end of the month, end of the quarter.
Absolutely. All right, thanks for joining us, DuWayne Bosse with Bolt Marketing. We'll have more AgDay coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.
For marketing advice, call Bolt Marketing, a futures and options brokerage firm.